This here is the Eureka E10SW, and I've demonstrated and tested several Eureka robot vacuum cleaners on this channel, but this one here hits a certain price point that I think you're going to be very happy with, but not compromising on some of the key features that you're going to want to have to keep your home or office clean. I've been using this here at my man shed studio for about a week now, and I've been very impressed based on the price point on this. So I'm going to go in here and show you guys some of the key features that I love about the Eureka E10SW, but let's first get it unboxed and all set up. I'll show you how that's done. Now, some of the key features of the Eureka E10SW is this bagless design. You can go up to about 45 days, this multi-cyclone dustbin that does not require any bags, and you can easily see the debris that's coming up off your floor, but also know when to change this. Very easy to just pop it off and take it over to your garbage can and dispose of it, and then to bring it back, stick it back on here, and you're back in business. The other key thing on this is that it does have those cleanable, reusable, and replaceable filters in here. So it's really easy to access all of the filter on the base station here itself. It also has extremely powerful suction. Been very impressed with how powerful the suction is on this E10SW, and it has an upgraded brush here on the bottom. So easily popped out here on the bottom, but this is an upgraded brush that is anti-tangle. So that's something new that they've upgraded here over the standard E10, and yet it's still coming in at a great price point. So that's something that I've been really happy with, because I've been running this here and have not had any issues with tangling of hairs or pet hairs or anything in this brush here. So they did a great job upgrading that brush. It's got these dual spinning brushes on the front to really get in close and get all the debris away from the baseboards. And then it does have a nice large dustbin here on the back, which you can see here. There's a nice large dustbin, and I like that it's easily accessed. Now, it does self-empty into the multi-cyclone canister there, but it is nice that you can't open this up completely. A lot of these don't open up that far, and they even include a nice little multi-tool inside of the robot vacuum cleaner itself, so it's always right there for you. It does a great job navigating around my studio, navigating around any type of obstacle that might be in the way. So overall, I've been very impressed with this E10SW, and again, that price point really hits a sweet spot in my opinion, and of course I've got the links to the least expensive price that you'll find online in the description of this video, but you can also just go to walmart.com and search for the Eureka E10SW. In fact, that's where I purchased this Eureka from. I did purchase this Eureka directly from Walmart, came within a few days, and I've been very, very pleased with it ever since.
So right off the bat, a few of the things that I love about the E10SW is that it keeps dust and debris in the canister for up to 45 days. So it can collect about 45 days worth of dust and debris in the multi-cyclone dust container before you even have to empty it. Of course, you can empty it sooner than that, but you also don't have to ever use any bags. You don't have to buy bags. That's literally going to save you up to $70 a month right there without having to buy bags, even though it has all the great filtration system in it, keep your air clean when it's doing all of the suction from the robot cleaner itself. It does not need to have any type of dust bags, which is also just kind of saving the planet at the same time. Another thing is that the tank is super easy to empty. You just lift it off, take it to the garbage can, and dump it out. It could not be easier. So just, the process of lifting the dust canister off is super easy. Taking it over to the garbage can and dumping it. Simple steps to maintain all of your floors and keeping them clean. I tested and really liked the Eureka E10S at the beginning of 2024 because it was the first multi-cyclonic, bagless, self-emptying robot vacuum and mop. Later, Eureka upgraded to the E20 Plus, which enhanced the suction power, obstacle avoidance, and added an anti-tangle brush, all priced at just under $500. If you are looking for a comprehensive vacuum, it is a great option. But now there's a new choice, the E10SW, which is perfect for homes with a lot of carpet and minimal mopping needs like mine. The E10SW removes the mopping function and lowers the price by over $100. I'll include links to all three Eureka E-Series products in the description below. Now, as far as optical avoidance, it is equipped with optical avoidance technology that is actually usually found in much higher end robot vacuum cleaners. In fact, it has great night vision and doesn't even need a lot of light at all. In fact, seeing it here where I'm having it navigate around random lenses in my bathroom in very, very dark conditions. In fact, it's looking a lot more light here than it really was, just so you guys could see what it was doing. So in low light conditions, I was very impressed with not only how it picked up the debris, but also avoided any obstacles in its path. So that was pretty impressive to me. Now, there is a lot of control through the Smart app, and that's something that you don't usually see in a robot vacuum cleaner less than $400. Full-featured Eureka app at your fingertips, schedule cleanings, control the suction power, just you name it, you can definitely see all the feedback, where it's clean, where it hasn't cleaned, how efficient it was. It just does a great job showing you and letting you manage your rooms, clean by zones. I mean, all the normal stuff you would expect from a robot cleaning app, it achieves at a much lower price point than some of the other robot vacuum cleaners on the market. So those are just some of the key things that I absolutely love about the Eureka. It has great HEPA filtration system built right into it, and I love watching all the dust and debris in that multi-cyclone canister when it whips up in there, because you get to see like, oh my gosh, all that was on my floor and now it is not. So I'm just going to keep showing you clips of that multi-cyclone spinning there in slow motion so you can really appreciate all the debris that your robot vacuum cleaner picks up.
One thing that I absolutely love about the E10SW is how easy it is to not only see that the dustbin needs to be emptied, but how easy it is just to take it off. So it simply just slides on and off like this. So there it's on when you want to empty the dustbin. No bags needed here. There's a nice cost saving yearly. Just come in over the top of your trash can, and you're just going to push this button right here on the back. Push that, it empties out. Give it a good little shake. Close it back up. We're good to go. Then back over here to the base station, plug it in, and we're back in business.
So again, obstacle avoidance, anti-hair tangling brush design, and all those Smart app controls make for a great value in the E10SW. There really wasn't any type of drawbacks that I can see for this price point. Now, there's a lot of features that it doesn't have that some higher end robot vacuum cleaners, in fact, some that Eureka sells don't have, and I could definitely do some comparisons like that. If you want me to, let me know in the comments below. But overall, I've been using this now for a little over a week, and I haven't found any flaws in it. It just performs so great. And it's something that, you can rely on with the Eureka brand because they've been in the vacuum cleaner business for a very, very long time. They've really thought of the key things that you're going to want to have in a robot vacuum cleaner, whether you want it to go underneath your couches, underneath your beds, avoid all those toys on the floor, any obstacles, it's going to go around it, or you just don't want to have to think about it for 45 days. The Eureka E10SW is a great pick. In fact, you can go on over to Walmart and just search Eureka E10SW or click on the link in this video to get your very own Eureka E10SW at the lowest price possible.